Hi, I'm Emma, and this is the first chemistry educational video. In these videos, I'll have a presentation prepared, which I'll annotate as we go over it together. So first, what is chemistry? Chemistry is a science that deals with properties, composition, the structure of substances, the transformations they undergo, and energy that is released or absorbed. Okay. This is a chemistry syllabus. This is an outline of all the coursework we will cover in our educational videos. First, we have Intro to Chemistry, which we will go over today. Then Atomic Concepts, Periodic Table, Moles and Stoichiometry, Chemical Bonding, Physical Behavior of Matter, Kinetics and Equilibrium, Organic Chemistry, Oxidation and Reduction, Acids, Bases and Salts, and Nuclear Chemistry. These are the general topics we will be covering. Of course, there may be multiple videos for one topic. What is stuff made of? All around us, there are things like water, fire, and minerals. Chemistry helps us understand what makes up these things. While this may seem complex, on a basic level, all these things are made up of matter. In other courses, you've probably learned of matter. As a review, matter is anything that occupies space and has a mass. The three states of matter include solids, liquids, and gas. These states of matter will become important when we learn the transformations that substances undergo. Additionally, this stuff all around us can be broken down into the basic building blocks of elements. An element is a pure substance which cannot be broken down by chemical means. In other words, chemical reactions. This image right here, zoom in, is a periodic table of elements. I'll highlight that for you. All of the known elements are on this table. In later videos, I'll go more in depth, but for now, I'll go over the basics of the table. The periodic table is split into three categories: metals, metalloids, and nonmetals. Rare gases are considered a subcategory of nonmetals. This ladder, seen right here, I'll highlight it for you, shows us where the metalloids are. The metalloids are anything touching this little ladder besides aluminum, so I'll highlight it. The metals can be found anywhere to the left of the staircase. So hydrogen and all around here, including aluminum. And even these guys on the bottom, since they're an extension of this area right here. The nonmetals are to the right of the little step ladder. This includes all of these, including helium up here. The subcategory of rare gases can be found in the column all the way to the far right, right here. How is the periodic table organized? The periodic table is organized into periods and groups. Each column is a group, or can also be called a family. These columns are called families since every element in the column have similar properties. Both physical and chemical. The periods are rows like this. From left to right, the atomic number increases. I'll highlight the atomic number. These bold numbers. On each periodic table, the atomic number might be in a different place, but the key on the top, right here, for this periodic table, will show you where the atomic number is or label each part of each element. So for example, the atomic number is down here for this periodic table. The periodic table is split into 3 sections: metals, metalloids, and nonmetals, like we went over before. The metals are the good conductors of heat and electricity. The nonmetals are poor conductors. And the metalloids we'll call semiconductors. We call metalloids semiconductors because they have properties of both metals and nonmetals. Of course, metals, metalloids, and nonmetals have other properties besides being good conductor or poor conductor or semiconductor, but in other videos we'll further elaborate on that. This is all the material for the first lesson. Come back for more educational videos. Bye!